if you're running low on the charge, you know.
To charge. That's cool. So you run
All the
level
charging
3 chargers?
Yeah, level 3, level 2. We do the home charging
that's a lot
stations.
of chargers in this city, actually.
Oh yeah, we did 700 of them all over the city.
That's the future. Nice.
So,
all right. So obviously lightning. So take it for a spin. This track doesn't do it justice, but
yeah,
it's good enough.
very nice.
All right. You ready? Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Everyone always thinks it's gonna stop. Like, yeah, it's good.
Well, they know who to call if it doesn't.
Got some power. Wow.
Yeah, that was 40 miles an hour, just like that.
Nice.
Wasn't expecting.
This is a better 0 to 60 than all the other F-150s?
Oh yeah, it's the fastest F-150 yet, and it's also faster than the base Mach-E, except for the
Ooh.
GTs.
So what is it, 0 to 60?
Mid 4 seconds.
Nice. That's awesome.
So can we go
That's
up that?
damn good for a truck.
We go up the ramp over there?
Well, but that ramp is specifically designed for that Bronco.
Got it.
Right? The approach angle
All right, all right.
might be a little bumpy at the beginning, but once it gets on the grade, it's no problem.
Of course.
It's just a little steep at the beginning. You need a little bigger tires.
So what did you design on this vehicle?
So I'm the vehicle engineer manager, so everything integration.
Wow,
So different teams working on that. So it's the whole vehicle in short.
that's awesome. Well,
So
you,
Linda and I have been on the product since it was a dream.
Oh, yes. That's awesome. Appreciate you guys.
you did a good job.
Hard work.
Love it.
Thank you guys.
Appreciate it.
Glad to see the charges though.
Yeah.
That's all it's about. You got to get the infrastructure.
We got a lot of work to do. We got a lot of work to do.
Cool. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Easy.
Appreciate it.